Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 10th chapter, that is the mensuration. In previous video and in previous classes also, in regular classes also already we have discussed about that. What is that perimeter of figures, given figures, how to find out that perimeter already we have discussed in the previous classes. But students, today we are going to discuss about that. What is the area? Okay, what is the area of plane figures? Students, you know that whenever you will see that in comparison of that one regional place or that your school grounds or house, we are obviously we are discussing about that there is no space, there is no area, there is our school ground is more area, like that you have to say that you are discussing. Yes, but you have think how you are comparing that to regional field, how we are thinking this region is more or this region area is less. By approximately you can find out, but how to find out that calculately we will discuss, and especially some regular figure, how like irregular figures, what is that area we have to discuss in this video. But first of all, what you have to understand, what is that area? Area is one regional figure, that means regional space which one covered by that given that figure. Okay, suppose figure or any whatever that we have to say that means what is that region, what is the surface enclosed by that. Okay, whatever any figure it is given or any field also you can say, whatever the it enclosed that surface covering that is called as a area. Okay friends, so for that first of all we will discuss by that one graphical methods like activity, mass activity, like you can do mass lab activity. So that way how can we find out? So first of all, if suppose there is one figure is there for you, how you should find out? By our grid paper with or your like your graph paper with. First of all, that figure you should put on that graph paper, or if it is given on the graph paper, so outline you should find out that. So to find out that I have drawn that here on some pictures, how to find out that by using that graph paper or grid paper, the area of the given figure. Okay, so let us discuss friends. First of all, you see here, first write down the area. Area is the surface of a region enclosed in a closed figure is called area. That means the surface, which surface or region enclosed, how much, suppose I have drawn this is. So this the boundary is called as perimeter, but this is called as area. Whatever I have drawn that line, that means this is called as surface. ठीक है, did you understand? जो हम कवर कर जिस तरह प्लेस को जो सरफेस को जो क्लोज कवर किया उसको बोलते हैं, क्लोज किया उसको बोलते हैं हमें एरिया. सो उसका हम कैसे निकालेंगे? एग्जांपल, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स बाय काउंटिंग स्क्वायर्स. इसका आई हैव ड्रॉन दैट ऑन ग्रिड पेपर लाइक ग्राफ पेपर लाइक, and by that using that squares, here there is one small squares like that, these are the squares. So by that using squares, how can we find out this figures area? Okay, not exactly, we have to find out that approximately. Okay, so estimate value like. So there is one procedure students. Before that, how to find out that, just remember students, first of all this figure covered with some squares, full squares, half squares, okay, more than half and less than half. Four things you should remember students. One is that square is, what is that? Full filled, here I have written fully filled squares. Remember that you cannot see that full, you can, here you can write full filled squares, that you can write F or small f, that full filled squares. That means if that box totally cover that figure, that inside is there, how many full square is there, that you have to count. So that full filled square is F. Second one is more than half square is equal to M. ठीक है, more than और small m लिखो, और m small m लिखो. So more than half square मतलब ये जो स्क्वायर है ये मिडिल पे रैंक करे तो हाफ से ज्यादा कवर हो रहे तो कितना है ऐसा. नेक्स्ट हाफ फील्ड स्क्वायर, हाफ फील्ड स्क्वायर कितना है उसको क्या बोलेंगे h। एंड लेस देन हाफ फील्ड मतलब हाफ से लेस जो कवर होता है उसको लेस देन हाफ फील्ड बोलते हैं। हम क्या लेंगे लेस देन हाफ फील्ड दैट इज स्मॉल है, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीट आफ्टर दैट यू शुड add that full field, total square, more than half field, half field, ओके। दिस तीन को ऐड करेंगे तो जो आएगा उसको बोलते हैं हमें एरिया ऑफ दैट स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट एरिया ऑफ दैट गिवन फील्ड, ठीक है। सो बच्चे हमें इसको पहले हमें याद रखो एंड बाद में क्या करना है कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है। देखो फर्स्ट हम बी फिगर को मैं ले रहा हूं बच्चे क्योंकि इधर हमें लाइंस का क्या कवर एरिया देखने के लिए। तो ये बी फिगर में देखो कितना फर्स्ट हम क्या चेक करना है। फर्स्ट बी फिगर में ले रहा हूं फुल फील्ड स्क्वायर। फर्स्ट फुल फील्ड स्क्वायर कितना है देखो मुझे ये एक है फुल फील्ड, ये भी एक है, ये भी एक है, ये हाफ रहता, ठीक है, वो 3 ही तो हम लिख सकते हैं फुल फील्ड इज 3, ठीक है। नाउ मोर देन हाफ मतलब ये हाफ से मोर, ठीक है, ये हाफ से भी मोर, ये हाफ से भी मोर, ठीक है। सो 3 ही। हाफ फील्ड कितना है एग्जैक्टली हाफ मतलब ये एक है, ठीक है। मोर देन हाफ ले गए हम क्या a1 दिस इज वी हैव टेकन दिस इज एंड वन मोर वी हैव टेकन दिस इज। सो 3 dots I have drawn that I have taken. So half more than half I have taken this 3. Next half only we can take 1 and 2. This we can take half and this 1 2. And less than how many are there remain? Less than means this is 1, this one less than only 1, ठीक है। So what is that area of this field? The area of this field means you add to this 3 plus 3 plus 2 that means area is equal to full 3 plus half more than half 3 plus this is half field 2 by 2 is equal to 1 so is equal to 7 square units, ठीक है। क्योंकि 2 by 2 is equal to 1 so we can write 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 square units, ठीक है। तो 7 स्क्वायर यूनिट आ जाएगा। ये जो 1 है ये क्या करना है उसको इग्नोर हो जाना मतलब जो हाफ से लेस है जो उसका जो ग्रेड पेपर में जो हाफ से लेस है देखो बच्चे ये हाफ से लेस है, ये हाफ होता है, ये हाफ से लेस है तो उसको लीव करना छोड़ देना, ठीक है। सो इस हिसाब से हमें निकालना है। देखो बच्चे इसको देखेंगे सी क्या होगा चेक करो। इधर देखो फर्स्ट 1 2 बोले 2 स्क्वायर फुल स्क्वायर 2 है सो 2 है। हाफ स्क्वायर चेक करो हाफ स्क्वायर 1 है, ये हाफ स्क्वायर है, ये भी हाफ स्क्वायर है एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट्स, ये हाफ स्क्वायर है सो 2 है। सॉरी गलत लिखा, ये हाफ स्क्वायर 2 है। इधर मोर देन हाफ मतलब ये है, ये भी है 2 है एंड लेस देन हाफ ये 2 है, ठीक है। अभी देखो इसका एरिया कैसे निकालना है। ये फुल स्क्वायर 2 है, ये हाफ है, ये मोर देन हाफ है, ये लेस देन हाफ है। सो क्या करना है 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus हाफ मतलब 2 by 2 is equal to 1। इसको इग्नोर होना है, ये जो है इसको इग्नोर हो जाएगा तो is equal to कितना होगा 5 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स, ठीक है। सेम लाइक स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन डू दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6 मतलब 18 ही। तो ये क्या है मैं डी का लिखेंगे कितना फुल स्क्वायर 18 ही, ये 0 0 0 सो इज इक्वल टू 18 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स, ठीक है। सो स्टूडेंट्स सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव आल्सो यू कैन डू दिस एंड फॉर होमवर्क यू शुड डू लाइक दिस वे। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। So I hope you have understand about that and you will do in your grid paper with it or in your graph paper also you can use for that finding that given figures by using the counting the squares. Okay, thank you all of you, have a nice day.